Skilled trades jobs in Michigan offer real opportunities for people ready to work, train, and build a long-term career. Start by identifying the type of skilled trades job you want, such as welding, electrical, plumbing, construction, manufacturing, maintenance, or machine operation. Update your resume to highlight hands-on experience, certifications, work history, and training. Attend Michigan Skilled Trades job fairs to meet hiring employers face-to-face, learn about apprenticeship programs, and apply for openings directly. Be prepared to speak confidently, dress professionally, and show employers that you are ready to work, learn, and grow in a high-demand industry. Michigan is one of the best places in the country to build a career in the skilled trades. From construction and electrical work to welding, plumbing, manufacturing, machine operation, driving, and industrial maintenance, skilled trades careers continue to offer strong wages, long-term stability, and real opportunities for advancement. For individuals who want a practical career path without spending years in a traditional college setting, the skilled trades can provide a direct route to employment and economic growth. The first step to getting a skilled trades job in Michigan is understanding which trade fits your interests, strengths, and goals. Some people enjoy working outdoors in construction or road projects. Others may prefer indoor careers in advanced manufacturing, facility maintenance, or machine repair. Some are drawn to highly technical fields like electrical, automation, or systems. The key is to identify a path that matches your abilities and gives you room to grow. Once you choose an area of interest, the next step is preparation. Employers in the skilled trades are looking for people who are dependable, ready to learn, and willing to work hard. Even if you do not have years of experience, you can still stand out by showing a strong work ethic, reliability, and interest in training. Your resume should clearly list any related work experience, certifications, licenses, hands-on projects, vocational training, or transferable skills. If you have experience with tools, equipment, customer service, teamwork, problem-solving, or physical labor, those details should be highlighted. Another important step is learning about apprenticeship and training opportunities. Many skilled trades careers in Michigan offer apprenticeships that allow individuals to earn while they learn. These programs can open the door to union careers, employer-sponsored training, and industry-recognized credentials. Apprenticeships are especially valuable because they combine classroom instruction with real-world experience, giving job seekers a practical way to enter the workforce and build a long-term future. One of the most effective ways to find these opportunities is by attending hiring events focused on the skilled trades. Job fairs allow candidates to meet employers face-to-face, ask direct questions, and learn which companies are actively hiring. Instead of applying online and waiting for a response, job seekers can make personal connections, hand their resume directly to recruiters, and explore different career paths in one location. This kind of direct access can make a major difference for someone serious about getting hired. Michigan skilled trades job fairs are designed to help job seekers take that next step. These events connect attendees with hiring employers, apprenticeship programs, workforce partners, and career opportunities across the state. Whether you are just getting started, changing careers, or looking for a better opportunity, these job fairs offer a place to learn, connect, and move forward. If you are ready to pursue a skilled trades career in Michigan, start by taking action, build your resume, prepare to meet employers, and explore the opportunities available to you. Visit skilled trades job fairs, or to learn more about upcoming events, connect with hiring employers, and take the next step toward a skilled trades job in Michigan.